introduction. So, ito pala si Smars, yung ating Tecno Puba 7, as you can see. So, previously, na-game test na natin to again sa ML. Pero right now, i-game test naman natin siya sa COD. So, again, hindi ako pro sa paglalaro ng COD. I'm just sharing you guys my experience, my feedback, and also my thoughts with this Puba 7. If okay pa siya for, if okay ba siya for gaming, lalong-lalo na sa COD or ML, ayan. So, let's go! Guys, mga sis Mars, hindi ako madalas naglalaro ng COD. Madalang lang talaga ako maglaro ng COD. Mas madalas talaga kasing naglalaro ako ng ML. Ayan, pag may time lang ako. Pero right now, since medyo may time tayo, gawan natin ng COD game test itong ating Tecno Puba 7. Wala man lang mahanap na kalaban din, iba. Saan, bro? Saan?
Friendly K9 unit incoming.
Ano mo talon-talon ka pa. Wow. Ayan, tangin mo, yan yung kilaban. Meron pa. Meron pa.
The safe zone is collapsing.
Tangina mo. Nasaan sila? Labas! Nasaan sila? Labas!
Friendly K9 unit incoming.
Okay. So yun nga mga sis Mars yung ating game test with the Tecno Poba 7. So, meron na tayong 2 game test with this Android phone. And based sa experience ko dito mga sis Mars, well actually, everything is fine and good naman when it comes to game, especially sa ML and also COD. I enjoyed using this Android phone pagdating sa kanyang gaming kasi hindi ako nakaranas ng any lag experience or any frame drops with this Android phone. So far, this is good for me. If you're going to ask me, Maring Ana, anong experience mo with this phone? Well, for me, mga sis Mars, perfect na perfect. Itong si Tecno Poba 7. Again, if you want to purchase this one, just click the yellow basket here somewhere sa video. So once again, my name is Maring Ana. Don't forget to follow me on my TikTok account, A.Stories. See you ulit sa ating next na vlog. Buyers.